Well, hey, gold is down to 1367 right now. Silver's at 2853 or so. There's a couple articles of interest that were published yesterday on the Indian Reuters website. The first one's called "Shine Rubs Off Gold as Rural Indians Eye Appliances." This article pretty much covers the fact that the high price of gold has been scaring off the rural population who is really responsible for buying 70% of the gold consumption in India. And they're starting to turn toward buying appliances and things that make their life easier. Cars as well. So as we know, there's silver in cars and appliances and all these other home products that these Indians are buying. So that, you know, if it stands to reason, if they're buying up all these products now, the manufacturers are going to make more products to make up for that demand, which is going to require more silver to go into those products. So that, in theory, should increase demand for silver on the side. The other reason that they're turning away from the gold, I mean, because of the high price, but banks are also offering them 8.5% deposit rates. So they're making a real push, these banks, to try to get out there and reach these rural areas so they can attract the money into their banks via an 8.5% interest rate on their deposits. The other part of this story is there's another article published yesterday. This was published the 12th. Indians eye silver in the face of pricey gold. Now, this basically says that the rural farmers who are usually responsible for buying this gold, instead of buying gold, they're turning to silver. And they had a good monsoon season. You know, they had good rain, so all these farmers have money now because they were able to profit from their crops, and they're coming in to the cities and they're buying silver instead of gold because silver's at a better price than gold. So the gold demand may be down in India, but the silver demand in India is not going down. They are buying the physical silver, and they are buying appliances which contain silver and cars which contain silver. So that looks bullish for silver if this whole trend continues. And there's one other story in America that I would like to cover, because we can't leave out America, but we do buy gold and silver ourselves. And the run-up in gold prices, this is an article out of the Philadelphia Inquirer, and it says the run-up in gold prices is driving jewelry prices higher, so jewelers are starting to include more silver in their designs. Instead of taking the diamonds and putting it into gold rings, they're putting them into silver rings, or they're taking silver rings and covering it and layering them in gold, and it lowers the price, but it gives these people the look of gold that they may be wanting. So even here in America, the demand for silver in jewelry is going up. They're going to be selling more of it because the price is lower. And people have figured out already that if they buy jewelry, that it's going to be worth something. It's silver, it's gold, it's precious metal. It's not just I'm going to buy it and that's it. It's not worth, it's depreciated. No, it keeps its value, and people have started to realize that as well. And so I think the whole thing looks good for silver, despite a pullback today. Everyone's expecting a pullback anyway, and the continuing trend for silver looks good. I'd say, for myself, I'm going to buy here on the pullbacks, and if you're inclined, you can do that as well. But I think, in a sense, there's like a silver fever going on with people buying physical silver. Everybody really aware that precious metals are holding their value or going up in value. And I think that only looks good for the long term for those of us who do hold for the long term. And that's it for today. Take care.